Hi guys, today I am going to do a unboxing of a special product. I thought it is costly, but I have purchased this one. This is nothing but you have already seen in title, but this is 5 liter Desi A2 Ghee of cow. So which is I ordered from the Cred app store. So the price Cred shop it is usually called. So the price for me it is 4,749 rupees. I have ordered it in the 5th of November, but they have delivered today. That is November 15. They have taken 10 days because they have chosen e-cart, which is the Flipkart usual supplier, logistic company. So for me, for this is a Vediko Origins brand actually. So Cred Shop is used this product, and as I told you, this is a 5 liter steel can of a Desi A2 ghee, and also they get ghee using the past methods, not they are not using any machinery old methods, they are using traditional method usually called it is. So let me unbox this first of all. Simple, I am going to unbox. By the way, I am using my iPhone 13 and self video I am making. I wanted it to be something different, that's why I am doing this such thing. Good packing has been done. So another box inside. Look at that. There is another box inside. So let me bring it out. There is completely foam inside and outside for protecting this box. So let me open this box right now and show you. Simply we can use one knife, so that's why I am choosing this method. Don't think I am doing video in a beautiful condition, just normal way I am doing because I like normal things. Look at this. Ta-da. There is steel thing. The quality of steel is really good. Also there is some little foams inside to protect this key. So let me open this. Oh, look at this container. This steel container is superb quality, definitely. I can say it clearly. And there is seal. You can see no leakage on the package. 5 liter A2 Gir cow ghee. They have mentioned Gir in the sense, as I told you, that it is a traditional process for taking ghee from the curd, right? So look at this matter. You can pause it and read if you want. The MRP they mentioned is 11,999 rupees. So unique selling price they have. Something happened in between using the BSNL SIM, no issues. So in between they have mentioned the unique selling price of this product is for 1 liter is 2,399 rupees. So let me unbox. So I have removed all the tags and the safety things. Also opened the box. I feel like the smell of the ghee is pure. Let me open. The lock system also good, like this. It's very tight. Wow, look at the ghee color. Smell is superb. Let me show it to my mom how she feels and what she says. She don't know this is a 5 liter can. She will definitely scold me if I show her why did you bought this much of ghee like that. She will scold. Let me Let me shoot that also. ఆపు. ఏం చూడు నెయ్యి
అంతెందుకా అన్నీ కలిపా
కాదు.
ఏంటిదా కటింగ్ పెడుతున్నాను ఎందుకు రాండి నీకా
చూడు ఎట్టం చెప్పు.
ఆవు నెయ్యి
ఆవు నెయ్యి పుసుకుంది నాకు వెలుగు చేస్తుంది
అయ్యి
ఏమో వాసన
ఒరిజినల్గా ఉందా లేదా?
లేదు.
ఒరిజినల్గా ఉందా అనిపిస్తుందా లేదా?
నాకు తెలియలేదు అంతెందుకు నీకు
టేస్ట్ చేసి చూడు.
అది తినేప్పుడు దొరికొచ్చింది కరీం లాగనిపించింది
కరుణ
పోయింది పోయింది అట్టర్ ఫ్లాప్.
నువ్వు నాకు చూడు
బాగుంది.
అవి టేస్ట్ ఉండదు. ఇప్పుడు తెచ్చింది కూడా ఎంతమందా అది వద్దని కూడా చెప్పా.
యావది యావది మన దేశం
ఎంత పెట్టుకునేసా
4500.
ఎందుకురా నీకంతా
వడ చేసుకొని తినాలి.
దాంట్లో అంటే వరి చేయాలంట.
So I finally finished the video editing also. Now I am shooting this video. Anyway, it gone like a funny way with my mom. She also scolded me as I told you that why did you bought that? It is 4,700 rupees. It's very costly. What you do with that much of ghee, 5 liters? You need that. My wife also supported her. That ghee is not good. Already he bought some 1 liter already. That ghee also not good. But she did not tasted it actually. And I have given it to my auntie also. She said my mother's sister. She said yeah, it looks fine, good ghee. The fact is actually I brought this particularly. It is desi ghee. It is done with Bilona method, that is traditional way. So and also the ghee, pure ghee gives good supports to your brain growth. So we have kids in home, that's why I am buying this ghee. And also as I told in the video, wanted to taste vada in I don't know how vada is called in English. It is a recipe in Indian. So we are going to prepare that recipe in ghee and I will try to taste it. If my wife posted a video making that, I will try to share that link also in the description. You can check it in future. So thank you so much for the continued support. Have a great day. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.